Welcome to the video by Spexon. Zoology Miller and Harley MCQs Chapter 6 Ecology, Preserving the Animal Kingdom. Let's start. For an aquatic animal, the amount of oxygen dissolved in the water may determine where the animal can live. For this animal, dissolved oxygen is a tolerance factor, acclimator, limiting factor, optimum factor. Correct answer: emitting factor. For an aquatic animal, the range of values for dissolved oxygen that will support life is called the range of optimum, tolerance range, existence range, home range. Correct answer: tolerance range. All of the following contribute to the energy budget of an animal except one. Select the exception. Existence energy: the energy it takes to survive. Resistance energy: the energy it takes to resist change in the environment. Productive energy: the energy it takes to grow and reproduce. Excretory energy: the energy lost through feces and excretion. Correct answer: resistance energy: the energy it takes to resist change in the environment. Human populations in developed countries display type survivorship curves. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer: 1. Which of the following sequences illustrate exponential growth? 2 greater than 4 greater than 6 greater than 8. 2 greater than 3 greater than 4 greater than 5. 2 greater than 4 greater than 8 greater than 16. 2 greater than 4 greater than 10 greater than 25. Correct answer: 2 greater than 4 greater than 8 greater than 16. Evolution in which each of two species exerts a strong influence on the other species is called contingency, parallel evolution, coevolution, convergent evolution. Correct answer: coevolution. A symbiotic relationship in which one member of a relationship benefits and the second member is neither helped nor harmed is mutualism, commensalism, parasitism, predation. Correct answer: commensalism. The population size a particular environment can support is called the environment's environmental resistance, population structure, biotic potential, carrying capacity. Correct answer: carrying capacity. Frog and toad eggs employ a kind of camouflage called dash, in which they are darkly pigmented on top and lightly pigmented on the bottom. Aposematic coloration, mimicry, mutualism, countershading. Correct answer: countershading. A symbiotic relationship in which one member of the relationship benefits and the second is neither helped nor harmed is called mutualism, parasitism, commensalism, mimicry. Correct answer: commensalism. Two male red-winged blackbirds are competing for a breeding territory and female redwings. This example depicts interspecific competition, intraspecific competition, coevolution, competitive exclusion. Correct answer: intraspecific competition. Most natural populations exhibit type population growth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer: 3. All populations living in an area make up a community ecosystem, community, habitat, niche. Correct answer: community. A community and its physical surroundings make up a biome, ecosystem, habitat, niche. Correct answer: ecosystem. The dominant members of a community often change the community in predictable ways in a process called spatial structuring, temporal structuring, dispersal, succession. Correct answer: succession. The final community in a seer is called the climax community, primary community, secondary community, seer. Correct answer: climax community. The first trophic level of an ecosystem is made up of free organic molecules, decomposers, consumers, producers. Correct answer producers. The dash of a species includes all the attributes of its lifestyle. Niche. Habitat. Range. Diversity. Correct answer niche. Overall, about %% of the food consumed at one trophic level is converted into new biomass. 5. 10. 20. 60. Correct answer 10. Assuming that 1,000 units of energy are available at the producer level of a stream ecosystem, how many units of energy would be available in the fourth trophic level? 10 units. 1 unit. 100 units. 0.1 unit. Correct answer 1 unit. All of the following statements regarding energy in ecosystems are true except one. Select the exception. Most energy at one trophic level is eventually radiated into the outer atmosphere as heat and will never be reused. An ecosystem can support more biomass at higher trophic levels than at lower trophic levels. Larger populations can be supported if organisms feed at lower trophic levels. Consumption is never 100% efficient. Correct answer: an ecosystem can support more biomass at higher trophic levels than at lower trophic levels. The non-living reservoir for carbon in an ecosystem is carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide dissolved in water of the oceans. Carbon in limestone deposits. All of the above are non-living reservoirs for carbon. Correct answer: all of the above are non-living reservoirs for carbon. All of the following are true of the carbon cycle except one. Select the exception. Most carbon is incorporated into living tissues by photosynthesis. Combustion of fossil fuels returns carbon to the atmosphere. The rate at which carbon has been accumulating in the atmosphere has been decreasing dramatically in the last 50 years. Carbon is rarely a limiting factor for animals. Correct answer: the rate at which carbon has been accumulating in the atmosphere has been decreasing dramatically in the last 50 years. The variety of living organisms in an ecosystem is called ecological variation, ecosystem strength, biodiversity, ecosystem wealth. Correct answer: biodiversity. Biological magnification refers to the diversity of plants and animals in an ecosystem. Increase in energy present in higher trophic levels in an ecosystem. Increase in numbers of animals at higher trophic levels in an ecosystem. Concentration of matter in tissues of animals at higher trophic levels in an ecosystem. Correct answer: concentration of matter in tissues of animals at higher trophic levels in an ecosystem. The release of dash from aerosol cans, air conditioners, and refrigerators leads to depletion of the ozone layer. Sulfur dioxide. Nitrogen oxide. Chlorinated fluorocarbons. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer: chlorinated fluorocarbons. Visit our website spexin.com to take the quiz of the chapter and for more details, unlocking a world of knowledge and discovery at your fingertips. Spexin, your premier e-learning platform. Join the Spexin community by subscribing to our YouTube channel for exciting videos and regular updates. Don't miss out, the link is right there in the description below. See you soon with another captivating video. Until then, stay tuned.